Every modern business has ongoing IT tasks that need to be managed on a regular basis. It's difficult to efficiently manage all tasks in-house. Regardless of the size of your company, information security must be at the forefront of your mind. With constant changes in business strategies, as well as daily changes in the threat, requires companies to have a trustworthy information security program. This program is not only needed, but it's necessary. With decades of experience in information security, Arrakis can help you stabilize your environment and increase the chances of success. We can provide your company with solutions in several forms: vulnerability assessment, penetration testing, pen test, wireless security testing, social engineering, physical security testing, policy creation and review, CISO as a service, network security architecture and design, investigations, forensics, and information security assessments. Our information security services revolves around all aspects of the business and can or should touch every department in the company. For more information or any questions regarding our services, you can email us sales@arrakisconsulting.com with the subject line as information security.